Is life coach certification actually worth it? My answer is absolutely yes, it is, because you don't want to spend every day waking up not knowing what to work on in your business or where to find clients or how to make money. And the reason I know this is because this was me the first year when I was trying to do my life coaching business on my own. I had no clue what I was doing. I was a labor and delivery nurse for 5 years. So I knew how to show up to the hospital, deliver babies, receive a paycheck in the mail every 2 weeks, and then go home. So starting my own coaching business was really hard and overwhelming, but I was too stubborn to let someone help me. So finally, after a year of struggling, I was like, fine, I'm just gonna sign up for a coach training program. And guess what? Within that first month is when I started making all my money and finding clients, because it was literally someone telling me the roadmap to success. So with that being said, that is why I'm starting my own life coach certification program this fall. And I want you to join. I'm only opening up 12 spots. And the reason I want you there is because I don't want you struggling anymore. I don't want you to be stressed out. I know how much you want to answer this calling of becoming a life coach, and I want to help you to succeed. I want to help you to find clients. I want to help you to make money. I want to help you to live out your purpose. And you're going to have an incredible experience in the 7-month online program. And there's an in-person retreat in Florida as well. So not only are you going to get all the coaching skills that you need to be a really professional coach and to start an online coaching business from scratch, but you're also going to be surrounded by like-minded friends from all over the world, and to be supported by this beautiful community who wants you to succeed and wants you to wake up every day having people emailing you, setting up discovery calls, and then celebrating when those discovery calls turn into actual paying clients. So make sure that you put your name on the wait list below, so you'll be the first to be notified when I open up those 12 spots this fall. And there's also going to be a sweet little surprise waiting for you on that wait list as well. So I look forward to meeting you, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.